everyone, welcome to Fake Boujie. I just wanted to show you all the updates that I did to my bedroom and master closet. So I wanted to give you a before I show you the after, and I give you a little tour. So this is my bed. I've been having the same bed frame since I was in college, so I've been having that for like 5 years. So it's definitely overdue for an upgrade. This is the bed bench that I made. I'm going to keep that because it'll go really great with the new bed frame that I got. And of course I didn't make up my bed because what's the point if I'm about to set up another one. And the new bed is actually right here in this box just waiting for me. It's really cute, something different. I feel like everyone has this bed frame style right now, especially the headboard. So I'm kind of over it, want something different, updated. I'm going to do something with my side tables, change the contact paper. Let me show y'all because this is contact paper on them. So this is going to be updated to match more. This is like a gray marble contact paper, but I have this really cute like pink. Well, it's white, but it has like pink and gold like marble effect to it, and it's really cute, and I think it'll look really great. Another thing that I will be updating is this mirror, which I was supposed to do a long time ago, but you know, I get lazy and procrastinate. And also this desk, which was already what is it called? I had like repainted it and stuff, but you know, over time, over years, the paint wears off, especially if like I'm constantly doing stuff on it. So I'm going to get it freshly painted, sanded, all that stuff. Try to find like a glass top or acrylic top to place over it so that I don't have to worry about it wearing down again. I'm going to keep this chair that is currently on it. We're going to keep this. I got this from Wayfair. It's fairly new. I actually got it this year, I believe. And yeah, just going to update this, the mirror, switch up the bed, and the side tables for the bed. I also had 2 chairs over here as like a seating area, but one ended up in my office and the other ended up in my closet. So I'm debating on if I'm going to order 2 more chairs or just bring one of those chairs back. We'll see. But yeah, that's basically all of the updating I'll be doing, and I can't wait. Oh, and I wanted to figure out a way to like get these and figure out a way to get those lights actually in here, or I'm just gonna like take them off altogether because I don't like them just strung across. Like, that's not cute. And I did have them like going around the perimeter of the mirror, but I didn't really like that look either. But I guess I'm gonna have to pick like either in the material or around the perimeter, but we'll see. I'm gonna have to figure something out because that's not hot. And I'm also going to be updating my closet, which I'm already in the process of. See if I can show y'all. First of all, I want to get a rug to go in the middle. I've already gotten these doors. Aren't they so cute? You all know that my closet was open like this, but I've already put all the hinges on. The doors are over here in the corner. And so, yeah, I want to update all of them. And these handles I brought separately. And I just think these are so cute. I love that they're extra big. I got some more shelving, pull-outs, drawers for storage. Lots of updates. I switched up this. It was on the other side and higher, but I put it in a more convenient area. Got to paint this wall because, as you all can see, the places where the boxes were, the clothing boxes, that's what I call them, I didn't paint behind them because I was like, there's no point, nobody's going to see it. But now that I move these 2 right here were over here, so now that I've moved them over there, I have to paint this. And I also got doors for these. And you all already know I had the big mirrors right here. But for this part that I'm going to paint to match with the rest of the room, I'm just going to have this chair like that. And then I'm going to get a mirror to put right here. And I think that's all I was going to do. I'm going to keep where my handbags and stuff, I'm going to keep that open. And of course, I'm going to keep the island. It will be back in the middle when I'm done with everything. And it'll have a nice rug around it. And I also added some shelving over here and some cute little storage. And like I said, it'll all be closed in. And I just love that I can like switch it up when I want to, because the original plan was to have doors on it. But I was like, okay, well, let me hold off on the doors. Let me see if somebody's mowing their lawn. I was like, let me see if I like it, you know, like this, open. And so I've had it open for a year now, just about a year. And I'm over it. I want it closed. So, and I feel like that'll make it look more chic, more just upgraded, like make it look more like, you know, a rich bitch closet, which is the look I'm going for. So yeah, updating this definitely. And I cleaned out the closet in my closet. That was a hot mess, but it is like all clean, all organized, lots of junk thrown away. This big old bag right here is that junk, so I'm very excited about that. I have a little more decluttering to do. I want to go through my heels, and in that part where the mirror is covering, those are my sneakers, those are sliding doors. I want to get rid of a lot of the shoes that I don't wear. On the sneaker side, it's not much, but on the heel side, like some of those heels I know I'm never going to wear again. And some of them I've been having since college. So for like 7, you know, years, 5 years. And it's stuff that like is good for the moment, or like the original purpose that you bought it for. But, you know, we outgrow things. We change our style. We change our, you know, just our full aesthetic. And that's the mode that I'm in right now. And there's like a lot of sweaters that I need to get rid of too. Like this, never gonna wear. Just little things like that I really want to go through and just really declutter, because I'm the type of person, I'm always buying new clothes, and the only way that they're gonna fit, unless I get a mansion, is if I start throwing stuff away, because this closet is pretty big. Like I should never have more stuff than can fit in here. But I like how it's organized. I like how everything is put together. I like you know, like the different sections that I made, like, you know, winter and this and that and jeans and crop top. You know, it's just really cute. So really excited to update both of these. I'm also doing my pantry, but that's like a whole nother video, because yeah, so stay tuned. The next part of this video, if I'm able to, I will record some parts of me like updating it. But for the most part, it'll be like the after, and me giving you all a tour of the after look for my bedroom and my closet, and just showing y'all what it's like, the outcome. And I will be doing all of this myself. As far as the desk, I might have my handyman come and do that for me, because, you know, I'm a little lazy. So we will see. And I might have him just paint this wall for me too. But I'll keep you all updated.